Hello again, everyone. I'm Paula. Welcome to my channel where I bring you insightful English grammar lessons to improve your knowledge of English. In today's lesson, we will talk about articles in English grammar. There are 3 articles in English grammar. They are a, an, and the. But first, what are articles in English grammar? Articles are adjectives used before a noun to modify the noun. They are used in a specific context or a general context, and they are in 2 categories. The 2 categories are definite article and indefinite article. The is the definite article, and a and an are the indefinite articles. Definite article the is used to refer to a specific person or thing. It is used in a specific context, and indefinite articles a and an are used to refer to any one of a group of persons or things. They are not specific and are used in a general context. Let's look at definite article the. If we say the book is on the table, we're pointing to a particular book on a particular table. Even though there may be several books on the table, we are referring to a specific book on the table because we know that book. The indefinite articles a and an do not refer to a specific person or thing. They are used in a general context. We may say, a book is on the table, or an apple is on the table. This could be any book or any apple. We are not referring to a specific book or a specific apple. We don't know anything about the book. Likewise, we don't know anything about the apple. We're simply indicating that some book or some apple is on the table. While we may not have a problem using the definite article the, we may have a problem when using the indefinite articles a and an, as we may not be sure which one we should use. To decide whether to use a or an is all based on pronunciation. We use a before words beginning with a consonant sound and an before words beginning with a vowel sound. Notice I said consonant sound and vowel sound because not all words beginning with a consonant have a consonant sound at the beginning, and not all words beginning with a vowel have a vowel sound at the beginning. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, and the consonants are all the other letters of the alphabet excluding A, E, I, O, and U. So, for words beginning with a consonant and a consonant sound, such as kite, box, chair, and pencil, we use the article a before those words. A kite, a box, a chair, a pencil. For words beginning with a vowel and a vowel sound, such as aeroplane, umbrella, apple, orange, we use the article an. We say an aeroplane, an umbrella, an apple, and an orange. But what about words like our, honor, union, and university? Our and honor start with a consonant, but the H is silent, giving us a vowel sound, so we would use the article an before these nouns. An hour and an honor. Likewise, union and university. Even though they start with a vowel U, they are pronounced with a consonant sound like the Y in U. So the article a is used before these nouns. A union and a university. Now let's look at what happens when we have to repeat an article in a sentence. Sometimes we will be faced with the problem of whether to repeat the article when listing a series of things. For example, the blue and the white dresses are on sale. Should the extra the be used in this sentence? Well, it depends on what meaning is intended. If each dress is part blue and part white, then we omit the extra the. We say, the blue and white dresses are on sale. For the sake of clarity, it may be better to use hyphens in sentences like these. So we would say the blue hyphen and hyphen white dresses are on sale. If, however, there are two types of dresses, one all blue and the other all white, then we add the extra the. The blue and the white dresses are on sale. Let's look at some more examples. The president and the director attended the meeting. Here we are talking about two different persons. One is the president and one is the director. Next, the president and director attended the meeting. In this sentence, the president and director is the same person, one person holding both positions. So we use the article the once. Let's look at another example. The wood and the chrome tables are on display. The article the is repeated, so we are speaking of two different tables. Some are wood and some are chrome. In the next sentence, the wood and chrome tables are on display. The same table is part wood and part chrome, so the article the is not repeated. Well, that's it for this lesson. I hope you found it useful. If you have not done so as yet, may I ask you to please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my lessons. Thank you again for joining. See you next time. Bye-bye.